What is the Great Catalog? When you visit the Great Catalog, you'll see it's a treasure trove for interior designers and architecture studios. Over 70,000 3D models for your amazing projects, all in one place. Here's a quick look at everything the catalog offers. First, choose your language. Yes, there are 6 options, so you can set it up just how you like. Then, hit Login and do a quick registration. Want to buy models individually? No problem, or go for a subscription. Monthly subscriptions are available, or you can save with a yearly plan. And with the premium subscription, you get full access to any models on the site, including ones you've downloaded during previous subscription periods. Good news! Right now, you can use the free plan and download up to 3 free models per day. Need more? Try Premium 10. Use promo code VISUAL1 for a 10% discount on the monthly plan. Note: all subscriptions auto-renew, so don't forget to cancel in your account if you no longer need it. Advanced search filters. We have a variety of filters to help you find exactly what you need. Room filters, categories, brand filters, brands from 70 countries, style filters. We've categorized all models by popular design styles, 3D platform, color, and material filters. Prefer searching by keywords? No problem. Just type one word like sofa, add sofa beige, or even sofa beige minimalist for more accurate results. Easy and convenient. And here's the best part: the GC Merger plugin. This unique script lets you insert models from the catalog straight into your scene, complete with textures and ready to render. Need to install the plugin? Here's a guide. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help.